Hey guys, I'm not like trying to be cocky because I'm not that kind of person, and I hope that maybe you can tell. And I'm sure there's going to be haters out there. Um, I know there's a lot of guys that they put their levels and stuff out right before the market opens, um, and they I'm speculating, not accusing or anything. I'm just assuming, I guess, that a lot of them they try to look at other YouTubers and stuff and then try to put levels in. That's why I try to put my levels that I send to y'all uh, real early in the morning, and I think I'm gonna start posting it the day before. Like I'm going to send it with this video right now, because I don't want anyone to think I'm scamming or copying any other person or whatnot. That I'm actually the one uh, doing this legit. Um, I'll start making more educational videos, but y'all gonna have to come over to YouTube and follow Trucker Stock Trader, because I can put longer formats on there more so than I can with TikTok, but I'll still keep posting no matter what. Anyways, these are the levels for tomorrow that I have at the beginning and the end of this video. And whenever I say second deviation, that is when we, like today, for instance, we was at 6. Where did we open? Heck, it's been a long day. Anyways, we opened it around 6:30ish. All right, and I knew that we had $11.50 expected move. Doesn't mean it always happens, but 68% of the time it does. So I knew either it was going to go up to 650 or it was going to come down to like 615, I think, something. Anyways, I'm not perfect, and I ain't even gonna cut it or edit this so it's 100 perfect. I want to be real. Uh, but when I say second deviation, it means when we go outside of these first levels that I give you, price moves uh, with these certain structures, because you got to think the market moves based off of emotions for one, but you have your institutional, and then you have your retail, all right, and then you have your um, liquidity sweeps up and down, and you have the market makers trying to make the price move to the point where it hits stop loss, or if it goes down and hits or goes up to put in for buy orders. So sometimes we have these quick moves. There's like today when we went above the 640 50, we went up all the way to 642, like quick, like one big candle, like whoosh. And those moves, you got to be ready, you got to watch, and when you see them, when we break that structure, you go ahead and get into your position, but you got to be ready to sell right away because it happens so quick. But what happens is, because you got your sell orders, you have your stop loss. So if you're riding calls or puts, whenever we hit those levels, all of them get kicked in at once, and then that price moves from, like, just saying this just for a demonstration, like from 640 all the way down to 630, like a $10 drop. Boom. not saying that's what's happening right now, but with these levels, that's where things like this does happen. So you got to be ready to act quick. So if you're in profit, always buy one option, two options. I usually buy like, I don't know, 10 to 20 options, but that's me. I'm just saying, like, buy two options. Once you're way up, go ahead and sell one. Take your profit and have your finger ready to sell. If you feel like it's going to come back down, even if you sell it and then it goes all the way back up, you're still in profit. And at the end of the day, a green day is better than a red day. Anyways, I don't want to make this video too long. I could talk all day, especially when it comes to stocks. I'll have these levels on now, and then I'll repost them in the morning. That way y'all can see them. And like I said, follow me. I'll start doing live, and I can't have a schedule of what days I do go live, but I can go live on the days that I know that I'm going to be available. Trucking, it can be, I can't make a schedule. I have to go by what the schedule gives me. Anyways, yeah. All right. Peace. Talk to you tomorrow.